Experts attending an international forum on democracy in Beijing have said that China's democracy and governance, characterized by being responsive to people's voices, have proved effective. More than 200 guests from home and abroad joined the forum.
I think China is on its way to a good form of democracy. It hears its people and it tends to do what its people want. There's a lot about it that we can learn from.
It's the fact that the Chinese system unites the people. The Chinese democratic system is designed to be a win-win, where everyone can work together to achieve objectives like national rejuvenation.
According to a report published during the forum, nearly 10,000 people surveyed in 2023 in 23 countries, covering Asia, Europe, America, Africa, and Oceania, agreed strongly with the rich connotations of China's whole process people's democracy and consider it a benchmark for human political systems. A German scholar said he's impressed with China's democratic system, and it's rooted in China's history spanning thousands of years.
There is a lot of stored information how to govern such a large country, such a vast civilization. And I think this pool of influence and ideas and solutions for practical problems is one of the elements that makes Chinese modern development towards this whole process, democracy, very special. It contains features of various ancient and various modern, very different civilizations in one context where these features are brought to fruition.
Some scholars have noted that people's welfare is fundamental to democracy, and the consistent improvement of Chinese people's well-being over the past decades is a manifest of the functioning democracy in China.
I have been about 20 years ago here, and I see by myself, by my eyes, that everything is going to the high level. And the life of the Chinese people is in a very high level, and I'm very glad to see it everywhere.
China has managed in the last years, in the last decades, to continuously improve the life of the people, and that is something that has made the government to have the approval of the people. You see that the people are content with the way that things work. I was able to live in China, in Beijing, in 2010, 2011, and then I was able to come back for the first time after that in 2017. So the changes have been huge. The life conditions have improved in many, many senses, and that, I think, has to do with a form of leadership that takes from the people what are their needs and listens and has the people participate in that decision-making process. And that's a way of democracy that really works.